Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject ABS, chapter number 8, chapter name The Animal World, topic Prehistoric Hunters and Animals. So, in the last few sections, we talked about the animals, how they are trying to understand their surroundings, what are the sense organs and how they were using. Now today, little about the human beings. Early humans have always depended on animals for food. You know that early time there was no technology, there was no development, there was no proper language, no education. The environment was fully forested. The fully natural environment was there. So that time the early humans have totally dependent on animals for food. That time they don't know how to do the agriculture work, means they cannot produce the crops. So definitely they were totally dependent on the natural things for their food, especially for the on the animals, because they were getting it easily. Before the advent of agriculture, humans hunted animals and gathered plant products from the forest for their food requirements. After some time, when the little bit human beings developed, they learned many things. After that, they learned the agriculture. Means agriculture was developed, advent that time. So after the coming of the agriculture, the human beings hunted the animals. They kill the animals for food and they also produce the plant products. So they can get the food for plants also. So their food requirements were completed by the animals and by the plants. They would use tools made of stones to hunt. That time I already told you, that time there were not technologies, that time no education, no that things. So that time as a weapon they were using the stones to hunt the animals. You know, stones, that is a very strong material by which they can hit the animals and they can kill them. So they were using the stones as a weapon for hunting the animals. Early humans used the animals for their meat and skin. Here we talked that animals were using as a food also, and after that they use the agriculture work so they can get the food from the plant products also. So after that they were using the animals for meat and skin. Meat were being used as a food and the skin for the other works. The meat the meat would serve as their food and the animal skin was used for cloth and shelter. Meat were being used as a food and the skin, animal skin being used as a cloths and shelters. They were using the animal skin as cloth and they were using it to make their home, make their house. In colder climates, fur from animals kept them warm. Where the places were very cold, that places they were using it as a cloth, so it can keep them warm. With the help of these things, they can easily live their life that particular places. That time the environment was fully natural, only the natural things were available for them, so the humans were using with it for their comfort life. So today's homework is learn and write these points in your EVS activity copy. Thank you.